Play say Chun Li, drop the Benz off. Oh, I get it. They painted me out to be the bad guy. Well, it's the last time you're gonna see a bad guy do the rap game like me. Now this baby's telly biter rock. Hey yo, I been on, bitch you been con. Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been.
Thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, okay? I mean, it's Brandy. Yes, it's Brandy. I mean, thank you guys so much for watching. I definitely want feedback, so
So you guys, I have my hair in 2 ponytails here. You'll need Gorilla Snot or any edge control of your choice. You'll need some Barbie pins. You'll need some braiding hair if you're not going to use your real hair. I decided not to. And yes, I'm going to do one side on camera and one side off camera. Okay, so stay tuned. So here you guys, I did one side off camera. I'm probably going to go back and do that over. I pulled some baby hairs out because in this look she had a lot of baby hairs. I'm going to tighten up my little bun here, make it tight and secure with the Barbie pin. Then after that, we're going to get this braiding here, hunty. We're going to clip it in our head. Oh, y'all, I'm playing in this gel. It was a little sticky. Y'all, I'm not used to all these baby hairs out. But yes, y'all, we're going to clip this hair in just like so. And we're going to wrap it around our real hair, twist, and make a bun. Like I said, you guys, that other side is toe to the floor. So I will be doing that over. So I'm just wrapping this hair around at least twice and securing it with the Barbie pin. It looks so much better than the other side, y'all. Oh my God. That other bun going out sad. Oh, y'all just wanted to do that. Alrighty now, so using a little Got To Be and a little Gorilla Snot, I'm a lady's baby hairs to the front or whatever. We're going to lay them to the front using a comb, and we just going in a little swoop motion, just like, you know, swoop, 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 swoop. Whenever I get there. But yeah, I'm just putting that gel on there. You know, you don't leave it like that, baby. So you take your finger, swoop, take the comb in the finger, and we're going to swoop again. You know, the swoop might not be perfect. I am not good at this, but you know I'm trying. And honey, no. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that, that look bad. No, sweet, don't leave it like that. Don't do that. Don't do that, Caesar. I'm going to swoop, I'm going to brush that on in the ponytail. And you know, swoop a little bit, comb the rest in the ponytail, cause and bam, we got them Nikki edges. So you guys, have already sculpted out my brows, and now I'm putting a little Warm Honey LA Girl Pro Conceal on my eyelid, blending that out for the primer of my eyeshadow. For the rest of this tutorial, we just gonna breeze through, you guys, so products will be listed below. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Turn up.
Look like I'm going for a swim. Dunked on him, now I'm swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming off the bench while I'm coming off the court for the trench. Here goes some haterade, get your thirst quenched. Styles on him in this Burberry trench. These birds copy every word, every inch. But gang got the hammer in the ring. 수리 마 수리 사바하. 미영원을 확해 오는 자장가. 저 위로 올라가 자신을 내려봐. 월화 슬로 컨트롤. I pull up in that $250,000 Oh, now she tryna be friends like I forgot. Show off my diamonds like I'm signed by the rock. Ain't pushing out his baby till he bite her rock. Hey, yo, I been on, bitch, you been con. Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean, I been on, X-Men been on. He keep on dialing Nicky like the prince on. I been on, bitch, you been con. Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. Hey, yo, I been on, Laura been on. Play say Chun Li, drop the Benz on. Oh, I get it. They painted me out to be the bad guy. Well, it's the last time you're gonna see a bad guy do the rap game like me. I went and copped the chopsticks. Put it in my bun just to pop shit. I'm always in the top shit. Box seats, bitch, fuck the gossip.
빠르디 빠르난 뒤에 쌍토끼처럼 대박을 터뜨려 쌍꺼풀처럼 헝클어진 머리에 풀리는 동동 멘탈은 붕괴 미션은
This
성공
is King Kong, yes, this King Kong. Bitch is King Kong, this is King Kong. Chinese ink on, Siamese links on. Call me 2 Chainz, name go ding dong.
Comma is looking for you. What you gon' do when they come for you? Comma is gonna find you. What you gon' do, huh?
Rings on, they need rappers like me. They need rappers like me, so they can get on their fucking keyboards and make me a bad guy. Hey yo, I been on, bitch you been on. Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been on, X-Men prints on. He keep on doing Nicky like the prince on. I been on, bitch you been on. Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. Hey yo, I been on, Laura been on. Play say Chun Li, drop the Benz on.
Feel the bass go, feel the bass go, feel the bass go, feel the bass go, feel the bass go. 멘탈은 붕괴
Look like I'm going for a swim. Dunked on him, now I'm swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming off the bench while I'm coming off the court for the trench. Here goes some haterade, get your thirst quenched. Style on him in this Burberry trench. These birds copy every word, every inch. But gang got the hammer and the wrench.
수리 마 수리 사바하 네 영혼을 확해 우는 자장가 저 위로 올라가 자신을 내려봐 원화 슬로 컨트롤
I pull up in that $250,000 lot. Oh, now she tryna be friends like I forgot. Show off my diamonds like I'm signed by the rock. Ain't pushing out his baby till he bite her rock. Hey, yo, I been on. Like the prince on. I been on. Bitch, you been on. Bentley tints on. Fendi prints on. Hey, yo, I been on. Laura been on. Play say Chun Li, drop the Benz on. Oh, I get it. They painted me out to be the bad guy. Well, it's the last time you're gonna see a bad guy do the rap game like me. I went and copped the chopsticks. Put it in my bun just to pop shit. I'm always in the top shit. Box seats, bitch, fuck the gossip.
빠르디 빠르난 뒤에 쌍토끼처럼 대박을 터뜨려 쌍꺼풀처럼 헝클어진 머리에 풀리는 동동 멘탈은 붕괴 미션은
This
성공
is King Kong, yes, this King Kong. Bitch is King Kong, this is King Kong. Chinese ink on, Siamese links on. Call me 2 Chainz, name go ding dong.
Comma is looking for you. What you gon' do when they come for you? Comma is gonna find you. What you gon' do, huh?
Rings on, they need rappers like me. They need rappers like me, so they can get on their fucking keyboards and make me a bad guy. Hey yo, I been on, bitch you been on. Bentley tints on, Fendi
much for watching this video, this Chun Li Nicki Minaj inspired makeup and hair tutorial. I had so much fun doing it, you guys. I actually kind of like the hairstyle, and I got somewhere to go today, so I was like, hell, let me keep it. Take that hot fur off though, y'all. But thank y'all so much for
watching. Girl, you don't deserve that. Girl, you can do better. You don't deserve that. Girl, you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't deserve that. Girl, you can do better. You deserve flowers on Tuesday. Not a single but the bouquet. I know you had a real long day. Let you pop open the deuce. Not on Netflix and chill. Baby, that ain't what it is. Need a real boss in your corner. Help you pay some of them bills.